Hello everyone, welcome back to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to create Instagram account. So for that, first of all, you open the web browser on your PC and open a new tab. There on the search bar you type in instagram.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official page of Instagram. Now here you need to click on sign up over here. Click that. Once you're in the signing page, you have the option of sign in with Facebook, that is log in with Facebook. If you click on it, it will be a one-click account creating, that is your Instagram account will get linked with your Facebook account and it will be created. But here we are going to go through by providing the details. So first you type in phone number or the email address. Type in email address over here. Below, provide the full name, type in your name, and then you type in the username for your account. Then you below provide the password. So once you have provided the password, you need to click on sign up over here. Click that. The username isn't available. Please try another. So here this username is already taken, so you need to provide a different one. So I'm just gonna add few numbers and then again click on sign up. Now then you need to provide the date of birth. Choose the date of birth. And then tap on next. A confirmation code has been sent to the email address of yours. You need to go and check your mail. You can see the Instagram mail on the top. You tap that. Now you copy this code over here and you need to paste it over here on this confirmation code. Then click on next. And with that, you have successfully created yourself a Instagram account. So this is how you can create an Insta account for yourself. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.